trust them with my child.
It's ceramic.
Yeah.
Max, keep it away from Diego.
Alright, no diss, Max. No diss. Simone was a way better kisser.
No.
Not deranged, but in this moment, I feel I've changed. I want to climb Mount Everest, go to Mozambique. I want to be impulsive, want to be unique. Can you believe I mean it when you shriek? I'm crazier than you. I'm crazier than you. And I'll prove to you exactly how. I'm crazier than you. I'll do what you can. From here on in, I give my solemn vow. Wow.
How y'all doing?
Freaks.
Y'all miss me? Y'all like my angles?
I'm texting.
Yes, I am. Yeah. Hi, Callie. Hi.
It's November 27th.
Yes, it is. Thank you for telling us today. Yeah. I will try and do this. I don't know every rehearsal, but. Hi. What's up? What's up? Hi, Fafty.
My day was good. There were 24 rehearsals left.
Yes. Very good.
I'm nervous.
I'm very nervous.
I need to start getting on that grind, but
Yeah. It's okay. Yeah. I'm sorry you said that like I'm forcing you. I don't have a gun behind the camcorder, guys. It's not against her will. She just makes
against my will.
It's not.
Naomi's the best.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for that additional stuff. You didn't have to say all that, but yeah. Yeah.
How's it going?
The camera doesn't talk, but yeah, good.
I thought it was coming to you. I was like,
Oh, yeah, I'm totally in the game. Yeah. Hi, guys.
is it recording?
Yes. Oh, it is. It is. Yes. Okay, yeah.
So this is Naomi.
Yes, this is me, guys. Welcome to the drama room. We have rehearsal today, obviously. Like Poppy said, 24 more rehearsals. That is scary. It's okay. It's okay. The date is. What is the date? December 2nd. It goes super loud for a second. I guess 9th school is over, and we're starting. Anyway, that is the board of all the food we're bringing. There's a vlog? Yeah. Hi. Hey.
I would love to have there's a spill over here.
Oh, should I record the spill?
Anyways, guys, today we're going to be talking about whatever happened to Tana Mojo. Let's get
guys, welcome back to another Bill the Necromancer video. Today, we're going to be doing a very special unboxing at my grandfather's funeral.
Tana Mojo. Tana Mojo. Famous line. A bleach and tone? A bleach and tone. Okay, that's it.
Let's just jump into it.
Hello. Costumes are on track. I don't know what we're doing today, but we're gonna have so much fun. Oh my god, look at Tex. Look at set and props. What a beautiful cloth. What guys are you working on? What are you working on? It looks very pretty. Oh, is that moss?
Yeah.
I love the moss. It's very pretty.
Keyboard, you're bad at like. As long as you're safe, girl.
Oh, okay.
Could be by a double tap.
Look at that guy. Standing there thinking he's so cool. Oh my god, Abby! She's on the she's on the floor.
Can you do the worm?
Yes, can you actually?
Not really.
I want to.
Well, I was gonna go give her CPR.
Oh no, she wants to hit the worm. She might need CPR after. Oh! Girl, you hit that. What do you mean you kinda did? You hit that. Oh, she got it. Do you need water? CPR, Shirley.
Why are you pushing your stomach?
We're here.
It's your chest.
Manager says it's 7 times.
What is it? Was it?
Staying alive, staying alive. Staying alive.
Faster than that.
Staying alive. Oh yeah, Poppy, step out of the way, step out of the way. Staying alive, staying alive.
Answer their set.
Hi guys, we're at the Christmas party. Okay, now we're at the Christmas party. Hi y'all. Hi guys. Hello.
Hello.
Lila. Say hi.
That's my contribution to the video.
Oh wait, where are your cake pops?
They're at the end.
Oh, I'm so excited to try them.
Oh, I was gonna buy that.
How do I zoom in?
I wouldn't have worn it today anyway. I've been wearing the same one for like 6 years at this party. And
I don't know how to zoom in.
You. Nightmare.
Girls, man, this is how you
Camcorder.
Hi. I'm Max. Fuck off. This is my moment. I'm Max Layton. I'm filming. This is my last. Don't touch my balls. Hold on. I am in grade 12. I'm graduating this year. This is my last thing of the thing. Anyways.
Dietary restrictions, likes and dislikes. You have so many things on your list.
Yeah, Jake's a hater when it comes to food. It's crazy.
Mr. Young.
What do you make?
I like this echo. How you doing?
Hi, I'm good.
Oh my god, he's in the chill guy fit.
miss you.
He is in the chill guy fit. Wait, no one's a chill guy.
Okay. So soup we can get in.
I suck at recording, guys. I apologize. But I don't know why I was tasked with this.
Come on.
Diego made that, my man. Ate that up. Do you need help?
I'm struggling.
I have a camera. I can't even help if I wanted to.
Fuck.
Max.
Yeah,
Can I grab it?
use your
Okay.
fingers. Yeah.
Yep. That's what we did. Now I'm sticky. Grab to this.
Oh, these are
Got. Oh, gee, this looks wonderful, friends.
This is absolutely ginormous. I'll grab.
I want a cupcake.
Okay.
I want a cupcake, Max. And I want a square of that.
I can try my best. I don't have any coloring. Yeah, you grab this square. I want to try some Steph's cheesecake, but I think that can wait.
Square.
This is plenty. This is so enough.
Go team.
Wait, did you get color?
I don't know what we're doing here, but we're doing
Look how strong he is. Wow. Go Avery. Hold on, I gotta zoom out. I gotta zoom out.
We're being neglected.
Exactly.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. We love you though.
My nail got off.
Damn. That's unfortunate.
I'm gonna buy super glue.
We love you though.
The same birthday.
I didn't get all of that. Say it again.
We have almost the same birthday. May 3rd, May 2nd. What?
Wow.
Zooming in, I can see it.
I can't.
So vintage.
I'm zooming in on you. Everything? Yeah. Are they good?
There's no gum.
How are you? Wait, behind you.
The number is the order that you get to go in. Okay? When your number comes up, you get to come into the center and select any gifts you want. So actually, that's not true. You know, when I give warnings, it's not because like I find this was all in good fun. You guys seem to have fun.
Yeah.
Bear, and then Lego that looks like a dog.
Yeah. Woo! Nice.
Socks, a really nice necklace, chocolate, and a really nice handwritten note. She can't really speak, so she got the ultimate penguin party pack.
Yeah. Woo!
Rubik's Cube and something else. Oh, cards.
cry.
Yeah.
I got a heatable pillow.
Ooh.
I got a Kit Kat, some Smarties, and Twix.
Yes.
Oh, I got one more gift card in a very cool gift card box.
Oh, nice.
What's a gift card?
Yes!
Woo!
There it is. But it's for $150, which is weird.
Oh.
Hi, I wonder who got that.
Hi, how do you feel after your first performance? Oh, it's video.
It was so good. It was so good. I feel like everyone loved it.
Yes, yes.
And everything.
Yeah, and like you look so good. Literally the veil, everything. I see that eyeliner too. Yes, period. How do we feel, Vanessa?
Oh my gosh, like the crowd would be like,
Yeah. Yes. Like we finally got that energy up, and I was like so happy after. Exactly. This is what we want. This is what we need. Yeah. And honestly, for middle schoolers, like I was surprised that they're actually into it. You know what I mean? So like as I was doing my deaf recital, like these girls were like really into. They were like, "Oh my god, it looks so cool!" I'm like, yeah.
so when you're on the stage, you can see.
Yeah, you can like. Just like. I'm like, okay, I won't look at you then. I won't look at you. But yeah, it was fun. Like yeah. But honestly, I think that was pretty good for our first one. It was really good. Yeah, they would freak out. I bet we could definitely scare a lot of people. Yeah. Really?
And I went further than I was supposed to, and then I went back down, and I could hear them.
Oh my god.
Like, damn, she scared me.
Yeah, period. You did that. You did that. You did that. Poppy, I know Mask already asked you, but how do you feel?
Still great. I definitely knocked over multiple grapes.
Oh, that's okay. Honestly, I didn't notice or hear anything, so it should be fine. Yeah. I was scared I was gonna knock one over because it was right beside one as I was doing this.
They were in different spots.
Yeah. I was kind of like, yeah, because I was trying to look at it like in the corner of my eye without actually looking, you know, because I don't know, they weren't like as straight as they were before, so yeah.
I think.
Your hands.
Everybody clap your hands.
Everybody clap your hands.
Everybody clap your hands.
Everybody clap, 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 clap.
Everybody clap, 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 clap.
Everybody clap your hands.
Everybody clap your hands.
Clap, 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 clap.
Clap, 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 clap.
Clap, 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 clap.
Clap,
Clap, clap.
I've seen one musical before.
She does me at school.
Never coming back. How long do I have to wait?
I tried. I thought, okay, the kids like each other. Let's see how it goes. But you people are insane.
Was Napoleon right for Josephine? Was Nausea right for the Dramamine? Were the 80s right for the drum machine? Who's to say? Who's to say? Was ballet right for Balanchine? Was polio right for the Salk vaccine? Vaccines, we know they don't work. Was Fauci right about the quarantine? Those Democrats. Who's to say? Should I choose? Life is full of contradictions. Every inch of mine at the moment we start weeping. That's when we Gotcha. Now will you marry me?
Of course, Lewis. 1,000 times yes.
Oh, Lucas. Lucas.
Gotcha.
Not today, I'm dancing on my own. Not today, a dog without a bone. Not today, not today, not today, not today. Hello, hold on, listen, my marriage is at stake.
People doing hair first, certain people doing makeup first, certain people doing costumes first, and then we can just switch around.
Or like towels.
I mean, you can always get a trash bag. So much easier. We know exactly who to do, when to do, so. Oh, sorry.
Me me mama moo, me me mama moo, me me mama, me me mama moo, me me mama, me me mama moo, me me mama moo, me me mama, me me mama moo, me me mama, me me mama moo, me me mama moo, me me mama, me me mama moo, me me mama, me me mama moo, me me mama moo, me me mama, me me mama moo, me me mama, me me mama moo,
crazy.
Oh, I didn't know she thought that on camera.
Yeah. She's admitted it right now.
My face, I'm enthused. It's disgustingly true. Hold
I don't see any houses.
Park.
Well, Central Park did.
Wait, what? I know where we are. It's where I first saw her. I was lost in the woods and a pigeon dropped at my feet with an arrow in it, and I looked up, and there she was. Wednesday with a crossbow.
A what?
A crossbow, you know.
The girl walked around with a crossbow.
It's okay, Dad. She has a permit.
Good choice, son. Okay, listen up. Now here's what's gonna happen. We're gonna go back to the hotel, and you and I are gonna have a little chat.
Be patient with him, dear. Her father's just and Lucas is your only one.
See what she did? Your mother's rhyming again. Let's go back to the hotel, and...
Yeah, we were too fast.
No! One normal night, no, not one poem, not one inspiring word. One normal scene, complete routine. Tonight can't be absurd. Please don't embarrass me or be completely rude. Don't make a fuss about the house, about the food. Whoa, one normal night. I know it's big, but can't you see? This one normal night is for me. Come on!
Come on!
Woo!
Seems like a nice young man.
Not right for each other.
But this is their moment.
I think I'm going the wrong way.
and This is your chance. So if you don't want to remain, start singing of love.
What?
Love.
No!
Love.
Why?
Love. Only affairs of the heart. All these kids you're stuck here for eternity. So
Love them, love, 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 lets our spirits depart.
normalcy start.
Protect and rally round. Let's hit the mantle back. One normal night is fulfilled.
Remember how it used to be? We'd leave the restaurant in the middle of dinner and not even make it home before you'd pull the car.
Mom!
Oh, lighten up, Lucas. Parents do it. Live with it. Remember, Mel, when we were crazy? What happened to the guy with the Grateful Dead t-shirt? Is he ever coming back? How long do I have to wait?
I don't know.
Me with hugs.
I'm not a good at hugs.
Look at all the hugs.
Love what once was found. Move to
Get it, Izzy?
the darkness
Yes, vlog my great view.
At our weakest, can we learn what's there?
Yes, I think it's such a big puppy dog. Disney World. She didn't know that they entertain guests. We have to cancel the dinner.
There we go.
No!
What?
I mean, you have to.
Why?
Because then there won't be a theater.
Bowman, do you love your daughter? Do you care for her mental well-being?
Of course!
Do you want her to put on heavy medication and spend the rest of her life hating us? Because we never ruined her life?
There are more things.
Stop that! Out of your mind after you see the world lately? Now stop truckling and go tell her the dinner is off. You're the father. The father is the canceller.
But don't strain yourself. Just
Love it.
Oh, but when he sees me, I love it and he knows it.
Hey, we're killing it. Yeah.
Yeah, this not even just there.
Ooh, look at all this food, and we can't eat it because we're in costume and it'll hurt our voices. Yeah, we ate. We're eating actually.
Give me a song.
Eating. Let it go. Oh, that was bad. Sorry.
No, it's right on the mountain tonight, not a footprint to see. Kingdom of isolation, and it looks like I'm the queen. The wind is howling like a swirling storm inside.
Okay, let's go. Places. 5 minutes.
The show will be starting in 5.
Oh, I like how they did announcements this time. Let me check the lip combo.
There's just one like lump of lipstick and it's really good.
Oh, damn.
It's like your father.
they're supposed to be. Yeah, exactly. Are you gonna make a vlog without the video? Yes, I am. Once I get my SD card, and I'll make us all watch it. Sorry, guys. Let's go, guys. Okay, bye, guys. We're gonna finish Act 2.
Them laughing. Anyways, no, it was really fantastic. We got one more to go. Cleansing, right?
Yeah. I don't know. I never went.
You guys never showed up. I'm a dirty liar. I think this is something that the world needs to hear, and it's something that's absolutely true. Is oh man, I love you guys. I really do. Guy, get away from my car!
Hey, 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 guy.
Put your left hand out, you put your left hand in, and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. You put your right foot in, you put your right foot out, you put your right foot in, and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. You put your head in, you put your head out, you put your head in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. You put your butt in, you put your butt out, you put your butt in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. You put yourself in, you put yourself out, you put yourself in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about.
Move toward the darkness. Move toward the.
I don't know if you're getting all of them, because there's some small ones.
Yeah, 47.
What are you doing? Holy shit.
Already?
Damn.
That's like the midpoint.
Yeah, it's 20.
It's pretty good though.
We're dancing on my grave.
Place in the phone steady.
Can't you that thing
You want to
already?
demonstrate that fear is my ideal.
Here is your
In the moment that you're frightened like me.
That my life must be real, real, and it's not for me, really, since you're No, wait, okay, you want crazy, here's crazy.
Hey, now listen. Are you afraid?
No, you know why? Because I will guide the arrow. I will guide it with my love.
How does that work exactly?
We're connected, you see. We're destined to be together, so nothing bad can happen.
Yeah, but what if I miss?
Then you'll be the last thing I've ever seen.
That is so hot.
Gotcha. Now will you marry me?
Yes, Louis. 1,000 times yes.
Lucas!
Gotcha.
Something's gonna get home.
I wasn't true, but then the way you spoke and touched my soul. Completely crazy yet completely in control. So when you kicked me out, I said, let's rock and roll. So I'll be crazier than you. I'm crazier than you. It woke me up to see you living long. When I'm crazier than you. drop the plan, you'll be the man in charge.
I touch you with my love and with my life. Maybe there's life for mentor and my wife. Cause I am crazier than I'm crazier than you. Show me what you can do. I don't let you have control. I'm crazier than you. So say you love me too. From here on in, you're singing to my soul. My soul.
It's been lovely. We really appreciate those of you who are taking people home. The foyer is a little cooler than it is in here. We opened some doors up. So please go ahead and enjoy these characters.
I'm crying so bad. I'm so proud of you. Hi guys, this is Naomi signing out of the show. I cried all the makeup off, but it's okay. Look at all these flowers I got. Yeah, we're done with the show now. I'm so happy. Recording it. Hi guys, we're at Jenny's right now. We're at Jenny's right now. Yeah. Guys, look here. Hey. Hi. It is a video. Okay, guys, wave to. Look behind. Yeah. Okay, I want to give a section there. Oh. Wave, guys. Into the camera. Hey. Oh, girl, we're recording. Wave. Okay. Give me in. Just cleaning the dressing room. It looks so much better. Not as dirty. You see the floor. Because of us. Because of this crew. Yeah.
Me, Poppy, Naomi.
Yeah.
The
Clean the dressing room. The best trio ever. Because we clean the cleaning trio. Sorry. We did that, gang. Oh, so this place low-key look a mess, but it's okay.
Hurry, 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 hurry!
Oh.
Hurry!
The scaffolding. Our peeps. Right at the edge. Okay, nice. I'm also to this one.
Just got lucky and started watching Wicked today.
I want to watch Wicked.
I chose not to watch since it was less than ideal conditions.
Sing it, Poppy.
It's something I've already decided a long time ago.
Whoa, that was actually really, really good.
Remember to move toward the darkness, everybody.
Yes.